Alright, gonna put this trailer hitch on the Acura MDX. Got to do a couple of things first. Take this tire off and then remove the hanger over there, and looks like this one's already off, and got to get that one as well as this one, and then all the way on the other side is this one here, and up inside of there you can see the bolts, where the bolts go on both sides there. So I'll have to lower the muffler. I believe I'll have to take one of the heat shields off in order to fit it into place. Gonna get the vehicle owner to do the assistance here, or maybe I'll be the assistant, we'll see. But we should be able to knock this out in 30 to 60 minutes. So first things first, gotta take this tire off, get into the back and get that done. I'll get my jack so I can hold these mufflers up one at a time as we remove them. Alright, we got to remove this little spot, and that will allow us to lower the tire with this tire iron. See down below. Once that's all the way down, we can remove it and get to work. Okay, step 2. We've got to remove this hanger right here. Can you see that? Yeah, right there. I'm going to put a jack underneath here so that it doesn't fall down on the ground. We could lower it easily. Make it a little easier, just throw a little WD-40, lube it up, and that should make it easier to go. I'm going to do this one too, just in case I decide to pull it off of there instead. Oh, yeah, so I did it right here and right here, and that should help get it off. Alright, so got all of the fittings off there, and now I'm going to go in here and take off these bolts for just one of the heat shields so that we can fit the hitch in. Right now with the heat shield off, you can see we can get to the bolts a lot easier and fit on the piece, hitch. Here we go, let's do it. Best to have a friend hold one side while you do one, and then I'll hold this side while he does the other one. The apple pop. There we go. Thank you, sir. Those bolts in, and look at that. Now he's got a hitch. If you liked watching what I did, like and subscribe. I'll show you some more stuff later. Have a good day.